Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Make Money Audit on the YouTube channel and MakeMoneyAudit.com. Well, the good old e-com king is back on another one of his BS bogus claims. And basically, this is just hype. It's not his whole idea. Time frame is based off him copying somebody else's site. The 1.87 million that he's talking about is not even his. He basically copied it, and the numbers you've seen, he's pulled from a tool that it doesn't help him at all. He cloned a store. He made $250 in one day gross. That doesn't take out what he had to pay for the item, nor does the biggest thing of all, what he paid for ads to get there. Throughout this video, he eludes the whole thing. That's the big key. But just like anything else, the e-com king, it's just BS. I still don't understand how his 612 subscribers are there. If any of you are watching this video, comment and tell me what actual idea did you use, and did you make money off it, and be realistically and show proof and how long it took to make the money. I'd be curious to see if anybody wants to step and back that one up. So let's go ahead and listen to what he's got to say.
The dropshipping brand doing between 1.8 and 3 million.
All right, again, I have the volume down super low and I can't hear it. Hang on. All right.
Dollars, and I told Claude AI to build the whole thing, the Shopify landing page, homepage, the branding, the images, and all I essentially have to do is run these ads on Facebook. And the craziest part is
which he never tells you how much he spent.
Launched the clone version of this dropshipping brand a day ago, and we've already done $250. And I'm even going to be giving you guys the prompts and the skills to give to Claude so it can speed up the whole process, so you can take a store and feed it the prompts and the skills, and it will do the work for you. Now, if you guys want to get access to those skills and those prompts, we need to hit 550 likes on this video. So let me show you the proof that I was able to clone a dropshipping brand doing $1.8 million with Claude AI.
Hey, sorry about that. Don't think you're going to get the thing because 500 likes, he's only got 138 because people are finally realizing his stuff is just crap. Oh yeah, here's his Wing Hunter. Wonder what that costs so much.
So as you guys can see on the screen, I'm in Winning Hunter, and Winning Hunter is basically a platform that allows you to see brands, track their stores, see the revenue, see their best-selling products, see the ads that they're running, and you can see here, we found a brand called Solar Wave, and you can see it's doing between $1.1 to $1.7 million every single month.
So there's the key. You're going to try, like, my old analogy, you're going to bring a knife to a gunfight. You're going to try to beat a company that's doing 1,149,000 to 1.7 million a month. Do you think you're going to beat them? Do you think you're going to, what do you think they're running on ads? That's the whole thing. So let me see. We'll go ahead and let me see. I want to go a little farther with it. Let's see. I mean, yeah, Claude can build it, no doubt. Shopify works with Claude, no doubt. Easy. Those are easy. That's the easy part. What he's not telling you is what he's paying in advertising. Just listen a little bit more.
Month. Shows you how many monthly visitors they're getting, how many active ads they're running, and what are their best-selling products. So you can see their best-selling product is the 4-in-1 Radiant Renewal Skincare Wand. So that's the...
All right. So he thinks he's found his magical item, okay? So the 1.87 million is Solar Wave, a Winning Hunter estimate. Yeah, okay, that's the tool he used. His demonstrated results gets $250 gross with undisclosed Facebook spend. There you go. What did he spend? Why don't you show us or tell us what you actually spent and see how much money you make profit out of that $250? Okay, so he's got Claude Max. Claude Max isn't cheap, people. $100 a month. Higsfield is credit, so 500 to 600 per ad. Shopify pay travel, yeah, for like $1 for 3 months, but then it's like $30. Product cost, yep. What does he got to pay to get it? and in the video, I don't think I've seen any of that. So he's claiming, fictional numbers like he usually does, and again, that's why he's going to get a D. Let's listen to him a little bit more.
The product that is making them the most money. Now, the reason why I'm showing you this is to show you that this is the dropshipping brand that is verified to be making $1.1 to $1.8 million every single month. So I know it makes money. The only thing I've got to do now is make sure that it is a dropshipping brand. So if we go over to their website, which is here, this is the product page that they're running for the product. You can see this is the product here. This is their landing page. Don't get me wrong.
All right. Not going to go quickly and hopefully much farther into this because my last video was over 20 minutes and that's way past what I want to do. So let's take a look at the website and I'll show you what he got. So cloning a dropshipping brand with Claude and AI in 20 minutes. That part is true. You can get that done. Not a doubt. A realistic time for ROI from a scratch beginner, not him, just everyday Joe trying, is 3 to 6 months, maybe longer. Not implied in one day. Yeah, there's no way. How much did he spend again? Sorry, I'm still into the weather. Okay, the process involved, learning, because you got to set up AI tools, Claude, Higsfield, OpenAI, Shopify. You got to find the drop shipping supplier, which, AutoDS is probably where he's picking it from. We already know that drop shipping is huge. It's high. Everybody's doing it. It's like the easiest thing in the world to do besides AI art, which was my last video that I picked apart another guy trying to claim shit. So claim $250 in sales in one day. Highly unlikely. Yeah, I don't think it's even close. For profitable for a beginner, setup cost includes Wing Hunter, implied paid. I don't know what that cost. Claude AI, $20 a plus a month. Higsfield credit base. I don't know what that costs a month. I'm sure you're spending a good, probably estimate $100 a month just on your AI. And here's the big one. Running ads like that, typically to get that type of generation, is you're going to be spending anywhere from $500 to $1,000 a month testing a product before you even make a profit. I guarantee, if he sold one for 250, okay, or sold 250, I don't think that thing costs $250 by itself. You got to take out the 250 he had to spend, I'll get, that he sold, cost for the product, the $100 plus for the AI, $500. I'm going to be nice and give him $500 a month just on the ads. You're already in the hole, 200 and some dollars. So people, again, you can create Shopify stores. This is the only reason why it gets a D. The reason why it gets the D is because he has a legitimate claim, a legitimate idea. It's just, again, he's selling you guys the whole idea that it only takes a couple days to make money. It only takes a couple days to make your ROI back. But he's full of crap. I don't know what those 600,000 people who follow his shit are doing. Are they brain dead? Do you not see the BS, the hype? It's not there. He's telling you stuff with unrealistic deadlines, unrealistic time frames, unrealistic time to make your money back. It's just crap, people. It's crap. Come on, wake up. Start challenging these guys. That's why I'm doing this. This guy, literally, I could run my whole channel off this dipshit and just use him as the whole time, because this is how stupid, ridiculous this shit is. If he'd simply say, if any of them would say, realistically, it's going to take you about a year. Again, would you watch the video? Would you even care? Is that the hook they get you with every time? They hook you in with unrealistic time frame, unrealistic ROI, and that's why you guys get suckered and think this guy is a good shit. He's a fake. His ideas are real. His time frame is BS. I'm going to call it BS. So if you do watch this, if you are one of his subscribers, comment in the channel. I'm curious to see what you've got to say. Again, if you want to run this on anybody else's YouTube channel, URL, I put it in there, description or the script, and run Audit. Again, I always recommend you download it so you lose it. Once you hit that button and run another audit, you lose it for 24 hours, or you can share it. So anyways, this one's another, guru claiming fantasy time frame, unrealistic expectations of making your money back in time. So it's just strictly a D is generous because it is a real idea, but he is just full of shit. All right. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to the next video. Have a good day.